Exclamative sentences. Let's begin. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Exclamative sentences. Exclamative sentences are also called exclamatory sentences. It's the same. In English, exclamative sentences use an exclamation mark. Exclamative sentences and imperative sentences can both use exclamation marks, stop, watch out, go to your room right now. Okay, you can see the three examples. I want you to focus on the verbs. These verbs, stop, watch out, go, they are imperative verbs. An imperative sentence with an exclamation mark is still an imperative sentence. It is not an exclamative sentence. If you haven't seen my video about imperative sentences, you can watch that video here. Exclamative sentences and declarative sentences are the same. The only difference is the exclamation mark. I love pizza. This is declarative, right? Subject, verb, and it's a statement. I love pizza with an exclamation mark is an exclamative sentence. It is a declarative sentence with an exclamation mark. Exclamative sentences convey strong emotion and are more forceful than declarative sentences. If you have not seen my video about declarative sentences, watch that video here. Okay, exclamative sentences convey strong emotions like anger, joy, excitement, surprise, and despair. Other emotions too. Sadness, right? For example, but they have to be strong emotions. Exclamative sentences are common in advertisements and informal writing. Here we can see an advertisement from the World War II, Second World War. We can do it. Yeah. For example, imagine you have lost your keys. Later, your friend texts you and says, I found your keys. You might reply in a text message, you are amazing, right? So, informal writing and advertisements. Exclamative sentences are not usually used in formal writing. This is because emotion and strong emotion is typically not a desirable trait, a desirable characteristic in most business and formal situations. You want to be calm and cool and level-headed, as we say, not showing extreme emotion. Exclamative sentences are also used while speaking, usually with a raised voice and a high intonation, okay? Like yelling or screaming, something like that. Let's imagine a situation. Let's imagine that you studied very hard for an exam. You just received your score on the exam, which is 100 out of 100. Good job. I knew you could do it. You might jump in the air and scream, "Yes, I aced the test!" What is the strong emotion you are conveying here? Yes, I aced the test. Aced means got a perfect score. The emotion is joy. Let's imagine another situation. You are going out for a nice dinner at a restaurant. You parked your car and paid for 2 hours of parking time. You enjoy your meal and you return to your car, where you find a parking ticket for $100. Not cool. You notice that your parking time expired at 8:30 p.m. And it is now 8:35 p.m. You are only 5 minutes late. You might exclaim, "Oh no, $100, but I'm only 5 minutes late." What is the strong emotion you are conveying? "Oh no, $100, but I'm only 5 minutes late." Despair. You are upset. You are very sad and feeling hopeless about this situation. Okay, let's imagine another situation. Let's imagine that you are walking down the street with your friend. Suddenly, you see something, an object, ahead of you on the sidewalk. When you get closer, you notice that it's a $100 bill. Pretty good. You might point at it and say to your friend, "There's $100 on the ground." What is the strong emotion you are conveying? "There's $100 on the ground." Maybe surprise, maybe joy, maybe excitement. They can be similar. Situation. Now let's imagine that you are walking down the street with your friend. Suddenly you see a $100 bill on the sidewalk. You run up and pick up the bill. You are very happy you found it. Yes. But then your friend grabs your hand and takes the bill away. Then she runs down the street, leaving you there with no bill, alone. You might yell after your friend, "Hey, I found it first!" What is the strong emotion you are conveying? What do you think? "Hey, I found it first!" This is anger, right? You're angry with your friend, yelling at your friend. Okay, guys, pretty easy, right? Exclamative sentences. They are statements that convey emotion with an exclamation mark. That's it. Use them in speaking. Use them in informal writing. Do not use them in formal writing. Let me know your questions and comments down in the comments section below, and your ideas for future videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Grammar Simple, and I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.